Most computer science students believe they're preparing for a great future, but the uncomfortable truth is most graduate and still remain average. Why does this happen? Because they confuse studying computer science with becoming a computer scientist. And there's a big difference. In the first year, everything feels exciting. You learn your first programming language. You print "Hello World" and feel like you've unlocked a secret universe. Assignments are tough, but also rewarding. But slowly, you start noticing something. Everyone around you is doing the same thing. They all know C or Python or Java. They all submit the same assignments. They all copy the same lab work. And suddenly, the thing you thought made you special doesn't make you special at all. Knowing a language doesn't make you a great programmer. It's like knowing how to write English letters. It matters only if you can express something meaningful with it. This is where most students get stuck. They stop at the basics. They attend lectures. They cram before exams. They submit projects they barely understand. And they wait. They wait for placements. They wait for someone else to decide their worth. But recruiters aren't looking for students who passed operating systems. They're looking for problem solvers. They're looking for builders, people who can take a vague problem, break it down, and shape it into a working solution. And here's the hard truth. Most students never train for this. They spend 4 years memorizing answers, but never learn how to think. So how do you avoid this trap? Start small. Solve 1 or 2 problems a day, not to impress anyone, but to train your brain. Pick a project you actually care about, not the kind professors force on you, but something personal, a website, a tool, even a small game. Contribute to open source, even if it's just fixing a typo in documentation. Because the moment you step into the world of real builders, you stop being average. It won't happen overnight. You won't feel smart every day. Most of the time, you'll feel stuck, lost, frustrated, but those moments are exactly when growth is happening. Here's the secret most students never realize. Your degree is just a piece of paper. It proves almost nothing about your ability. What actually matters is your mindset. Do you spend your free time scrolling endlessly or building endlessly? Do you surround yourself with people who push you forward or with friends who laugh at your ambition? Do you want to be comfortable today or valuable tomorrow? Because the truth is, the difference between an average CS student and a great one is not intelligence, it's not talent, it's not luck. It's the willingness to go beyond what's required. So ask yourself, are you going to be just another graduate with a resume full of buzzwords? Or are you going to be the one person who quietly put in the work, built things that mattered, and walked out of college not as a student, but as an engineer? The choice is yours.